Okay, next one up, Yamaha Tracer 7. This is one RNC Motorcycles next door has just taken in. Not too bad shape, just needs that little trot to TLC before it goes in the showroom. We get all these discs all cleaned up, get that exhaust all minted up front. More than anything, get a nice misting of the XCP corrosion protection. Nice to offer that to anybody that's potentially buying a second-hand bike to make sure it's properly protected. You can see it's got a few little bits of corrosion here and there. This is a 21 plate, only got 6,000 miles on it. If you're looking for a nice Tracer, this has got the comfort seat on it, got the tool screen, got saddlebags, nice little commuter. Nice to see a well-lubed chain. We'll do our little bit to it, probably be about an hour and a half, 2 hours, get it misted with XCP and get it in the showroom. Watch this space. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Yamaha Tracer 7 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full Monty valets with the XCP corrosion protection. Touched up a few rusty nuts and bolts. Everything's been meticulously cleaned. All the banjo bolts have all been sorted. Nice little brushing of XCP orange. The rest of the bike has had a coating of the XCP clear. All the chains been degreased, re-lubed back up. All the collector box down there has been polished. Just did a single stage polish on that windscreen. All done and heading for the showroom. If you're looking for a second-hand Tracer 7, this has got the comfort seat, tool screen, got all the bags, 7,800 miles. It's going to be RNC showroom right next door. I will put the link in the details. Be quick, it won't be around long.